It looks like food from a nightmare. Offal, raw potatoes and too many boiled eggs. And that's before we get to the heart of this bizarre banquet: nails, candles and light bulbs. Because Salim Haney is the Algerian man who eats everything. And by everything he means it. Newspapers, plastic, sawdust and once a 35-kilogram whole sheep. He says he wants to gain an international record.
I
wish to be registered in the Guinness World Records as the first Arab who can eat everything. It will be an honour for me and for all the people of my country, Algeria, and all the Arabs.
There's no ketchup in sight, but he seems to have no trouble tucking into a handful of nails. An audience looks on in horror as he shows off his menacing mouthful. His next course is a strip light bulb, which he tackles from the middle. It's a diet that's bringing him plenty of attention, not all of it positive.
It's not difficult to feed him. I can give him raw potatoes, vegetables, bulbs, but I'll never invite him to a restaurant because he'll ruin me.
Haney, who once ate 500 hard-boiled eggs in one sitting, has won many awards in Algeria for his dangerous diet. But his ultimate gastronomic goal is to get international recognition. Penny Tweedy, Reuters.